Did you know that September is one of the best months to start planting warm season vegetables in Zone 7B? That's right. While most people think the growing season ends in summer, your garden can keep thriving if you plant the right crops. Stick around because I'm about to reveal 10 vegetables you'd be surprised you can still plant in September and exactly how to do it for a bountiful harvest. Warm season vegetables to plant in September.
First up, let's dive into what you can plant right now.
Cucurbits, think cucumbers, squash, and zucchini. They love the warmth, and September is still warm enough to give them a head start before the colder months. String beans, perfect for quick growth. These can go from seed to harvest in just a few weeks, so you'll be enjoying fresh beans in no time. Root vegetables, carrots, radishes, and beets thrive in September's cooler evenings while still soaking up that daytime heat. Perfect for fall soups. Green onions and leeks, these are hardy and they'll grow through the cooler days of fall, giving you fresh flavors long after summer ends. Now, don't wait too long. Timing is everything when planting these in September. When to plant vegetables in September. Early September, this is the time to plant quicker growing veggies like string beans and cucurbits. They need more warmth to mature before frost. Mid-September root vegetables are your go-to. Carrots, beets, and radishes can handle the cooling temperatures. Late September, green onions and leeks are best planted now. They'll continue growing even as the temperature drops.
How to plant vegetables in September.
Planting in September requires just a few simple steps to ensure success. Prepare the soil. After summer harvests, your soil might be a little tired.
Mix in some compost or organic matter to refresh it and get it nutrient-rich again.
Plant the seeds, follow the depth instructions on the seed packet, but as a general rule, plant them twice as deep as the seed size. Water. The plants don't drench the soil. Light, consistent watering will help seeds germinate and plants establish. Tips for growing vegetables in September. To keep your garden thriving, follow these easy tips. Fertilize the plants. September can be a tough time for soil nutrients. Use an organic fertilizer to boost plant health. Control pests. Bugs might be fewer, but they're still around. Keep an eye out and use natural methods like neem oil or companion planting to keep pests at bay. Harvesting the vegetables, keep track of your planting dates so you know when to harvest. Some vegetables, like radishes, are ready in just a few weeks. So there you have it. Don't let September slip by without taking advantage of it. Whether you're planting cucumbers or onions, your garden can keep producing with a bit of care and the right timing. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more tips, and happy planting in Zone 7B.